Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to break down the Forex Straddle Strategy. Okay, we're going to be breaking down the Forex Straddle Strategy, and it's quite a powerful and versatile technique that can help you to take advantage of both upward and downward market movements. Okay, if you have been struggling to find a good strategy for volatile markets, the straddle strategy might be exactly what you need. All right, by placing simultaneous buy and sell orders, you position yourself to take advantage of any price movement, no matter which direction it goes. Okay, so let's just quickly dive right in. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more strategies like this. To understand the Forex straddle strategy, let's first break down what it actually is, okay? The straddle strategy involves placing two opposite orders at the same time. One buy order, all right? One buy order above the current market price. So that's going to be giving us a buy stop, right? So one buy order above the current market price and one sell order below the current market price. Okay, so essentially you are setting yourself up for a breakout in either direction. Whether the market goes up or down, you'll be ready to capture that price movement. Now, the idea behind this strategy is to take advantage of volatile market conditions where prices can swing drastically in a short period of time. This could be due to news events, earnings reports, or any other catalyst that causes major market shifts. Okay, now the beauty of the straddle strategy is that it allows you to profit no matter which direction the market decides to move. Okay, so why should you use the Forex straddle strategy? Well, for one, it's highly effective in volatile market conditions. All right. When you know that the market is going to experience a big price move, but you are unsure of which direction it will go, a straddle strategy helps you prepare for both outcomes. Okay. Another reason to use this strategy is that it minimizes guesswork. Rather than trying to predict which way the market will break, you are simply setting yourself up to profit from whichever way it moves. All right. And because you are already set up, you have set up your buy and sell orders, you don't have to worry about missing the move or reacting too slowly. For traders who struggle with making the right call in uncertain conditions, the straddle strategy removes a lot of the pressure by allowing you to take advantage of market fluctuations in real time. All right. Now that we understand the basics, let's just quickly talk about when to use the straddle strategy. Okay. Now, the straddle is most effective in situations where you expect the market to move significantly, but you are unsure in which direction. Okay. This could happen due to a number of factors, including economic news releases, earnings reports, geopolitical events, and so on. So, in terms of economic news releases, major announcements such as interest rate decisions, GDP reports, or employment data can cause sharp moves in the forex market. Okay, so if you know a report is coming up but you are not sure how the market will react, the straddle strategy could be the perfect way to prepare. And then in terms of earnings reports, if you are trading forex pairs that are affected by major corporate earnings announcements, a straddle strategy can help you take advantage of big price swings. Okay, and then for geopolitical events, political instability, elections, or other geopolitical events often lead to sudden market volatility. And the straddle strategy allows you to prepare for the unexpected. Okay, in these situations, you want to place your orders at key levels based on the current market price action, ensuring that you're positioned to capture any significant breakouts. Okay, now that you know when to use it, let's go over how to set up a forex straddle strategy. Now, the setup is quite simple, right? It's pretty simple, actually. The first thing is to identify key levels. The first step is to identify the price levels where you anticipate a breakout. just like I did around here, right? These levels are often found at support or resistance zones, right? Look for areas where price has struggled to break through in the past, as this can become key breakout points. And then you place your orders like I did here. All right, you place your orders, you place a buy stop order above the resistance and then a sell stop order below the support. All right, for the resistance, for the buy stop in case of a potential breakout to the upside, and for the sell stop in case of a potential breakout to the downside. And then next, you set a time frame. Okay, it's important to determine how long you want to leave these orders open. In some cases, you might want to set them for a specific time, especially if you're trading around news events. This can ensure that your orders are triggered only when volatility spikes. All right. Then finally, manage your risk. While the straddle strategy can be effective, it's important to manage your risk. Okay, since you are placing two orders at once, make sure you have a solid stop loss plan in place for both orders to limit potential losses. Additionally, you might want to use smaller position sizes to account for the risks of both orders getting filled. Okay, now like any strategy, like any trading strategy out there, the forex straddle strategy has its pitfalls, and here are a few mistakes to avoid. The first is over trading. The straddle strategy works best during high volatility conditions, so do not force it during slow choppy market periods. Okay, make sure the market conditions are right for the strategy. Secondly, incorrect placement of orders. Okay, if you don't set your orders at the right levels, you could find yourself caught in a range bound market without capturing any significant moves. Okay, so now we can see that this is actually a resistance zone and this is a support zone. In fact, I should even take this sell order down, more, because your orders shouldn't exactly be at the tip of the resistance or at the tip of the support. You should give it some pips away. Okay, it could be like 10 pips away or so, all right, or even more, right, so that you don't get caught up in the consolidation, because sometimes there could be a false breakout, right? So you set your orders some pips away, right, so that you know that whenever the order gets triggered, you're likely going to have the price continue in that direction for a while. Okay, now the forex straddle strategy is it can be quite effective though, but one of the mistakes to avoid is not managing risk. Okay, always remember to use your stop loss orders. Even if you are placing two orders, okay, still use your stop losses. All right, you can place your buy stop loss below the breakout point, to sell stop loss above the breakout point. Okay, risk management is crucial to ensure that you are not caught off guard if the market doesn't move as expected. All right, now the forex straddle strategy is quite an effective strategy for navigating volatile markets and capitalizing on big price moves. By placing both buy and sell orders, you set yourself up to profit no matter which direction the market moves. Remember to use this strategy in the right market conditions. Place your orders carefully and manage your risks to maximize its effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to stay updated with more expert trading tips and strategies. Let me know in the comments if you've used the straddle strategy before or if you plan to give it a try. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.